Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 49. He whose intellect is unattached everywhere, who has subdued his self, from whom desire has fled, he through renunciation attains the supreme state of freedom from action.
Chapter 18, Shloka 49. Asakta buddhi sarvatra jitatma vigatasprukaha naishkarmya siddhim paramam sanyasenadi.
Chapter 18, Shloka 49. The benefit of acting according to the temperament with which one is born is described. The supreme goal is explained not in achieving any higher state, but as the state of complete detachment from the lower urges. This state is reached when we do not identify with instruments of matter. When we forget our true identity, the misconception of the ego arises, like we see in a drunken man who forgets his individual personality and status in life, disgracing his education and station in life, and continues as long as he is drunk. When the importance or ignorance has ended, there is the experience of the infinite bliss. When the chain of ignorance, desire, thought, action is cut, one is in a state called actionlessness. With the knowledge of the spirit, ignorance ends, and in that state, thoughts and actions cannot be. Thus, an understanding unattached everywhere is the way to reach the destination, the true state of actionlessness. Arjuna's claim of detachment and renunciation were false urges of escapism. His sannyasa arose out of his attachment to his kith and kin, while true sannyasa must arise out of detachment. The ego can only be subdued as complete detachment is impossible. The self-mastery is only when there is not even the minutest traces of desire in him. By correct analysis and inquiry, when the attachment spriha is dried up, both the senses of enjoyership and doership get sublimated, leaving behind the infinite experience of the self. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.